The most powerful partnership in Silicon Valley just officially ended its era of exclusivity. This week, OpenAI and Microsoft announced a massive restructuring of their deal, effectively ending Microsoft's monopoly over OpenAI's tech. If you thought the AI Cold War was intense, wait until you see what happens now that OpenAI is officially free to sell its model anywhere. Today is May 2nd, 2026. This is the week 7 of our AI journey, and we're breaking down the biggest shakeup in AI history. On Monday, April 27th, OpenAI and Microsoft dropped a bombshell. They have amended their multi-billion dollar agreement. The big takeaway: Microsoft no longer has an exclusive license to OpenAI's IP. OpenAI is now free to serve its full product lineup across any cloud provider. In fact, Amazon has already confirmed that OpenAI's models are hitting Amazon Bedrock within weeks. Microsoft remains a primary partner and shareholder, but the exclusive handcuffs are officially off. They are no longer just partners, they are competitors who still happen to own a massive chunk of each other. It is not just the partnership that changed, it's the business model. Buried in the fine print of OpenAI's updated privacy policy this week, they formally acknowledged advertiser data sharing and purchase data receipt. OpenAI is clearly gearing up for a massive monetization play ahead of their rumored IPO. They are not just selling subscription anymore. They're building an advertising engine. If you use ChatGPT, expect to see the platform start tracking your shopping preferences to feed their new ad targeting partner. While OpenAI and Microsoft were making headlines, rest of the big tech had a tougher week. We are seeing a massive wave of layoffs across the sector. The reason: it is called capital reallocation. Tech giants are cutting staff to funnel billions into the AI chips and data center infrastructure. Mark Zuckerberg and other CEOs have been clear: to pay the massive power and compute cost of 2026 AI models, they're choosing the hardware over headcount. It is brutal reality check for the industry. Even with the layoffs, the venture capital spigot is wide open for superintelligence. A new startup called Recursive Superintelligence just raised $500 million, potentially scaling to $1 billion, led by Google Ventures and Nvidia. Their goal: building systems that don't just act like humans, but possesses self-improving capabilities. Plus, word on the street is Jeff Bezos is close to finalizing $10 billion for his project Prometheus lab. The message from the billionaire class is clear. The race for true AGI is not slowing down. It is just getting more expensive. 7 weeks ago, we started this journey by talking about chatbots. Now we are talking about trillion-dollar partnerships, unbundlings, AI-driven ad platforms, and billion-dollar bets on superintelligence. The industry is maturing, and the stakes have never been higher. Are you worried about OpenAI tracking your shopping habits? Or is this just the price we pay for best AI in the world? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for sticking with me for 7 weeks. I'll see you next week with more.